So we are now at 5,000 miles, and so we're gonna do an inspection to see kind of how everything looks. This initial inspection, if you were just to pull over, and yeah, you can see that there's oil in there. Now we're just gonna take out the canister and find out exactly how much more since our last inspection. If I had to guesstimate, I think for 1,000 miles we had like a tablespoon, so we should have 5 tablespoons then. So here is the 5,000 mile follow-up. Let's go and weigh that same way we did last time. I'm gonna do it in grams as well. Oops. Alrighty. Actually, no, it wasn't a tablespoon, it was a quarter tablespoon last time. So this time we have 17 grams of oil, which is about a tablespoon. And let's see here, so it's 4 teaspoons. And about 20 milliliters. So that is what you can expect. And actually what I wanted to see was, I don't know, this is a kind of a weak magnet. I don't know if it's gonna really do anything, but I wanted to see if there's anything that I could catch. If if there was anything other than just oil in here. I don't know if this is gonna actually catch and come through, but doesn't seem like any kind of shavings or anything is being picked up. I think that if there was anything in here, I'd catch it. So no, it seems to be just oil, nothing else. And if it is, at least this magnet is not sufficiently strong to pick up any kind of metallic debris. So anyways, that's what you guys can expect at 5,000 miles. And see you guys on the next project. Thanks for watching.